Hi, Tug Toler, eSource Miller, Paradigm Company. Here with the 22CET6.2. It's brand new from Cleveland. It has this nice fun touchscreen. It's an easy touch. One of my favorite things about this is that we're able to do a low-temp steam. Low-temp steam is perfect for K-12 applications because all those frozen vegetables have already been cooked once. Let's not kill them. One of my favorite things about that 212 steam, it's a very tiny window from underdone to overdone. Going down to 170 takes that window and does this, and it makes it very easy to be able to cook this and not have it overcook. You're gonna get a bright, vibrant color. There's gonna be texture left. Let's put it in and I'll show you. Look at the color of that. That's why you wanna use low temp steam. Nice bright orange. It's got texture to it. Perfect.